Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the Google Assistant from the power button on Xiaomi Redmi Note 30. So here is my phone, Redmi Note 13, and to remove the Google Assistant from the power button, because if you push it long on this button Google Assistant appears, it is very easy. Just go to settings and here go down and tap on additional settings. Here we have gesture shortcuts, tap again, and here is launch Google Assistant. Just tap to go inside, and from here you can disable the Google Assistant. Just tap here, and now I will exit. And now if you push it long on the power button, you see that the power off menu appears, and from here you can turn off your phone or you can reboot it. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.